Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to know and learn about the function templates. So, C++ templates is a powerful feature added to C++. It allows you to define the generic classes and generic functions and thus provides support for generic programming. Generic programming is a technique where generic type of used parameters, algorithms, and they can work for variety of data types. The same function can be worked with the different variety types of data types. Yes, templates can be represented as two ways. One is functional template and another one is class template. So functional template, we can define a template for a function. For example, if we have an add method is there, add function to making addition of two numbers. Like we can create versions of add function for adding of integer numbers, float numbers, double or different data types. And class template, we can define a template for a class. For example, a class template can be created by the array class, accept of the array elements and various types of int, array, float, array and a double array, different data types. For making a vast expansion to the object, how it will be accept the multiple data types. The same way template, either function or class, can be accepted multiple data items. So a very simple example we are going to discussing now using function templates. Now let's see, for functional templates what we need to do. First, here a keyword called template, template, and the name of class class T. Yeah, the template we can create like a class T, and T as and a function provides the sample template. Alright, now here we can take a T as a keyword and reference, so ampersand val1, which we are going to be accepting from the when the method is called. Now T with the reference of val2, like val1 or val2 objects are xy. The same way, if you want, you can put the xy also. So the template now it is initiated. Now let's see, like a T result result variable where template I am going to assigning. Kindly observe val1 plus val2 and terminate return the result from this template. Right, now how to access this template? Let's see, int I equal to some value, terminate, int j equal to some value, terminate. Now like a float also we can give, not only this one, float m or xyz. M is equal to float value 2.5 and float float n some 5.5. yes, terminate. Okay, just 2.2, we'll do one thing, 3 point some 2 I'll give. We'll see the very easy calculation of this total. So now see out how to access this, functional template, this functional template, and get the result. Now see out let's see, addition of I and j, simply we can call here add function which we created now with 2 I value comma j value. As a values we can send it, or else references also you can call while the calling this particular function, and make it end line and terminate. Just a minute, yes, make it ending line and see out, and we have a float method is also there. So addition of m and n, so we can specify here as a keywords of m and n. Here we go how we are going to dealing this class template. Same way, there is much more difference. The declaration of this syntax you have to concentrate more, that's it. Rest of the things all are same, how we deal with the structure, how we deal with the class objects like a functions. So addition of this one, so let's see, J and 40, I and J 40, and M and N is a 5.7. So if you want to take it to space colon space, space colon space, now save it. If you change the values, you will get the addition of these two things. Like see, addition of I and J and addition of M and N. So the advantages you may observe, different types of data types we are going to calling this template function, where we are getting the result accurately. You may also try for integer, float, double, different type of data types as well. Alright, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.